Hello, and welcome to the Inspire Academy Elementary English. My name is Sarah, and we are on Unit 10. Unit 10. Unit 10 is about nouns. What is a noun? Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a person, place, or thing. It also can be the name of a person, place, or things. Nouns can be countable or uncountable. Nouns are found in sentences. Nouns are names, or they are a person, place, or thing. Here's an example. A student. A student is a noun. In a sentence, I might say, a student walked to school today. Student is the noun. May. May is a student. May is the name of a student. Both may and student are nouns. How about a place? A country. A country in Europe. You could say a country in Europe is called Spain. Okay? A country is a noun. Spain is a country. Spain is the name of a country. It is also a noun. So nouns can be things or they can be names of things. For example, a cat. A cat was walking down the street. Cat is a noun. Princess is a cat. Princess is the name of the cat, and princess is a noun. Countable and uncountable nouns. So, countable nouns would be words like, or nouns like bottle, because you can say 10 bottles. I went to the store and bought 10 bottles of soda. A man, you could say, while walking down the street, I saw 2 men. You can count. If you see a group of men, you could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 men in the group. A surfboard. She went to the store and bought 5 surfboards. You can count surfboards. An orange. There were 12 oranges in the bag. You can count oranges. All of these are examples of countable nouns. These nouns can be singular, 1 pen, or plurals, 10 pens. And they can be used with numbers, 3 pens. Uncountable nouns are different. These nouns cannot be counted in numbers, and they need a measuring word to show how many. For example, bread. Bread is an uncountable noun. You can't say, I want 2 breads. No, that doesn't make sense. You have to say You have to add another word, a measuring word. I would like 2 slices of bread, please. Slices of bread. Now it's countable. I can have 2 slices of bread. How about some more examples of uncountable nouns? People. You cannot say, there are 3 people. No, you have to say 3 groups of people. 3 peoples. There are 3 peoples. No, there are 3 groups of people. Money. I have 10 monies. No, that is not correct. Money is not countable. You have to use a measuring word. I have a lot of money. Okay? You can say, I have $20, or I have a lot of money. Dollars is countable, but money is not. Furniture. It is incorrect to say, I have furnitures. What you need to say is, I have 2 pieces of furniture, because furniture is not countable. Pasta. You cannot say, you cannot ask for 5 pastas, but you can ask for 6 bowls of pasta or 5 bowls of pasta. So, on their own, uncountable nouns cannot be plural and cannot be represented with numbers. But if you add a measuring word in front of them, then yes, you can count with a measuring word. 2 pieces of furniture, a lot of money, 3 groups of people, 6 bowls of pasta. Countable noun rules. They can be, for a countable noun, they can be singular, they can be plural, and they can be counted. For an uncountable noun, they're always singular, they cannot be plural. Some examples are an ounce of love, a bottle of water, some luggage, more electricity, any rice, and do you have ice cream? More examples. Countable nouns. Dollar. I have $10. Songs. She played 5 songs this afternoon. Suitcase. She has 2 suitcases. Chair. He has 7 chairs in his living room. Wire. There are many wires in the house. Bottle. Can you bring me 3 bottles of soda? Report. 5 reports. Tip. She gave him 2 tips before he left on his journey. Journey. He went on 3 journeys this year. Job. He has 2 jobs. View. He has one nice view from his window. Or he has several views from his window. Spoons. There are 8 spoons in the cutlery set. Here are some examples. My Dog is playing. My dogs are hungry. Can I have $1? Can I have $20? I want a car. I drove 2 cars. I need 10 boxes for 120 bottles. The room is full of tables and chairs. The rooms are full of tables and chairs. These are all countable nouns, and they can be plural. Uncountable nouns: money, music, language, furniture, electricity, wine, news, advice, travel, work, scenery, and silverware. As you can see, for example, we looked at dollars in the previous slide, but now we're looking at money. Money is not countable. You could say $10, but you can't say 10 money. So you say, I have a lot of money, or I do not have much money. Music. Songs are countable, but music is not countable. I listened to a lot of music today. Language. He speaks many languages. Furniture. We moved the furniture. Electricity. He has some electricity today. Wine. He has 10 bottles of wine. News. He got some good news. Advice. He gets plenty of advice. Travel. They travel all the time. Work. They do a lot of work. Scenery. We saw beautiful scenery. So do you remember? Countable noun is views. Scenery is uncountable. Silverware. We have 8 spoons. We have 8 spoons in our silverware set. Silverware is uncountable. More examples are, do you have any money? Happiness comes from inside of you. Do you have some advice? No news is good news. I need a cup of sugar. Can I have a bottle of water? I moved the furniture. Can you bring me some wine? Can you bring a case of wine? Let's do a knowledge check. Fill the answer below. He has blank dollars. He has blank money. Choices: any, some, 25, or 1. Fill in the answer below. He has blank suitcases. He has blank luggage. Choices: any, a lot of, 9, or 1. Question 3. Without blank new wires, there will not be blank electricity. Choices: any, a cup of, 6, or 1. Let's check the answers. He has $25 and he has some money. Dollars are countable, money is not uncountable. Question 2. He has 9 suitcases, he has a lot of luggage. Suitcases are countable, luggage is not uncountable. Without 6 new wires, there will not be any electricity. Wires are countable, electricity is not countable. And that is our review of nouns. We looked at what is a noun, countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. That's all for today. See you soon, and have a great day.